Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sabrina and welcome to my Coven. So today's video is going to be exciting. I don't know if Ikea ever done this before, but this is my first time that I've seen that they have any kind of Halloween decor. So I went to Ikea a few days ago, picked up just a few items from their Halloween collection. So I thought I'd go ahead and show you guys what I picked up from Ikea for Halloween. Alright, so the first things that I picked up are just these white and black striped tiny little pillowcases for my bed. Again, I said in my previous video that I am doing a bedroom makeover for Halloween, so I picked up these thinking that they will go good with the theme that I'm going for. These were inexpensive and I just love, they remind me of like Beetlejuice, so I love them. So I picked up these from Ikea. So the next thing that I picked up from Ikea are these cute little spider tea light holders. These were so cheap. I think they were like $2.99. And they were the last two left, so I'm glad I was able to snag them. They're really inexpensive. They're gonna be cute on like the dining table or just anywhere with some little tea lights and faux fake tea lights. Really cute, and they're so inexpensive and so well made. So I picked up these little guys. Okay, if you guys know me, I am a sucker for reusable bags. So when I saw that Ikea released some Halloween reusable bags, I knew that I had to pick them up. So I went ahead and I picked up this little bat one. It's white with black bats and orange little handles, and I thought it was so cute. It was really inexpensive, I think like $1 something. So I picked up two of these. They weren't available at my store, but I did order them online and they got here pretty fast. And then I picked up two of just their basic big blue bags, but they're just in orange and black now. So I picked up two of these. These were I think $2.99. And then the last time I went, I found these little fold up ones, and I have two of these as well. They're like the same as the pillowcase holders, the pillowcase covers, and they're just white and black. They remind me of Beetlejuice. They were like $1 something, so I'm all stocked up when I go spooky Halloween shopping or when I do my laundry. I got my Halloween bags. They're so inexpensive and they're so cute. Okay, so the last and final thing I got is I'm super excited about this. I thought it was so cute. It's gonna be cute on my little side table in my bedroom, or I might put it in my daughter's room. I don't know yet because I don't want her to break it, because you know, toddlers and kids, they break everything. So I picked up the cute little jack-o'-lantern, like it was $20, super cute, and I knew when I saw it, I was like, oh, I want it, because I'm adding orange to my house this year, just to spook it up a little bit more, so it's not just so plain black, white, and green. So I did get a few little orange pieces, and I just thought this is gonna go perfect like around my house or in my bedroom. $20 too. It's really cute. It's actually a kid's lamp, but you know, adults can use it too. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. I have it plugged. This is my first time seeing how it looks. It just comes like this. It's double-sided, so you have like the smiley one and then you have like the evil one. So it comes with the cord. Let's go ahead and turn it on for the first time. Ah! This is so cute. It's coming up a little bit more like lighter on the camera, but it's actually like a really nice orange color. It is adorable. Whenever you're feeling mad, just turn it this way so your husband knows when he walks in the room. And when you're in a good mood, turn it this way so he'll know as well. This is so cute for $20. I think I might go back and get one for my daughter, because it's just, she's gonna love this. She's gonna want to steal it, and I want it too. So this is so cute. If you guys can get your hands on one of these, I highly recommend. It's adorable, and for $20, and it's gonna last a long time because you can replace the bulb when it dies out. So super cute. Alright guys, so that is it for my video. It was a tiny little short video, but I didn't pick up that much stuff because I didn't really have other items that caught my eye. These were kind of the things that I saw that was like, that fits my style, so I'm going to pick them up. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, hello, welcome. My name is Sabrina. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you can join our coven. And I will see you guys next time for another video. And remember, a witch is nothing without her coven.